I'm going to make some charred broccolini and serve them with some of my chili sauce. This is just incredibly simple and quick to make, and is a very flavorful and vibrant dish. And I'm going to cook the broccolini in this grill basket. It makes it very easy to cook them this way. The basket holds all the little florets together, and it makes it simple to flip them over and cook the other side. And I'm going to place the basket on top of my Tuscan grill. So I'll begin by putting that in the oven. And then add some embers from the fire. I'll drizzle some olive oil over the broccolini. Add some grated garlic. And toss everything together. And arrange all the florets in the grill basket. Season with pepper and salt. And then place the basket on top of the grill. They should only take a few minutes on each side. After a few minutes, I'll flip the basket over, add a little more seasoning, and return it to the oven. And I'm just going to warm some of my chili sauce in the oven opening. Once the broccolini is done, I'll place some of my chili sauce on the plate. Add the broccolini. And top with some crushed hazelnuts.